Some women just really need guidance out here. Honey, I have stories for days. Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, January 20th. It is Dr. MLK Jr. Day. So today I wanted to just talk to you about my channel and how I will pivot to a new sector of my life. As you know, my channel was previously This Southern Girl Cooks, and though for the last 4 years it has been amazing, yet it's only shown one sector of my life, and I want to share a lot more than just cooking and recipes. So I hope you all will stay with me on this journey, but I understand it's not for everybody, and it is somewhat of a drastic change, but it's not. Let me turn on some more light, guys. It's kind of gloomy here this morning. It's very early. Yes, but I wanted just to come on and talk to you for a little bit while Layla is eating her breakfast. But I will not, as you know, my channel is primarily cooking and sharing recipes for the last 4 years. I started this channel in July of 2020, and it has been great. I started it during COVID, the pandemic, and I fell off, as many of you know, if you're faithful followers. I wasn't as consistent as I should have been. I fell off probably a couple of months, 2 to 3 months, and I had a lot on my plate. I was doing a lot, so uploading videos was placed on the back burner, if you will. Now though, in 2025, Happy New Year, by the way, I want to just share with you just different parts of my life. I am married to my wonderful husband, Corey, and we have a multi-poo Layla. We do not have children. I just turned 50 in November of 24, and I just have so much I want to share. And this is pretty much more so of a journal for me, and it's a reflection, just something I can go back to and be like, oh wow, I did this, I accomplished this, you know? And this is real life. This will be a real life channel. It's nothing what you see on a lot of your other lifestyle channels, to where you're seeing, you know, this Gucci this and going on these exotic trips and that kind of thing. That's not going to be here. This is real life, okay? I'm not going to restaurants just to film. I still will share cooking videos here. I still will have fun with different recipes, definitely around, you know, Super Bowl, which we may be hosting a party. I'm not sure yet, but that's coming soon, so we need to decide. But I just want to share just more of my life, and I hope you'll enjoy it. It was a tough decision, but you know, I discussed that with my husband and just what I'm enjoying filming, and just day to day. You don't see a lot of channels out here like that. And with me hitting 50, a major milestone in my life, it's just been enlightening, and I want to share that more so. We went to New York City for my 50th birthday, had a blast. So a lot of items checked off my bucket list. It was amazing. I got to meet my favorite national news correspondents, Hoda Kotb, Craig Melvin, who's now the co-host of the Today Show. I'm so excited for him. Al Roker, legendary. So we really enjoyed New York City, and I still, y'all, have not edited that vlog since November. It's still on this camera. So I need to work on that project, so I will share that. But I want to share just everyday things. You know, I work from home, so some days you'll see me dressed up and I'll show outfits of the day, or the outfit of the day, when I'm on camera, okay? Otherwise, you're gonna see me in this, okay? And I'm just gonna tell you what's going on in my life, what we plan on doing maybe for the weekends, maybe some outings, some shopping hauls. So I wanna share some things like that, but I would love for you to leave some comments in the comment section and let me know what you would like to see of me. Again, I understand that I am about to attract a different audience, and that's pretty much my goal. Just from the analytics on YouTube, I can see that the bulk of my audience is like 65 and older. So again, I will share videos, but I'm at a point at 6,500 subscribers to where a lot of my subscribers are not returning viewers. So I've done a lot of studying of the analytics and just breaking down numbers. So I figured, you know, instead of starting another channel, which I had originally, I'm just going to change my niche here and just pivot to a more accurate reflection of me on this channel, if that makes sense. So anyway, today we are off. I'm off work, so you won't see me online checking emails and meetings. I'll share that kind of stuff. So I will introduce a lot of story times. If you're interested in story times, I have stories for days to share, okay? My husband tells me all the time, I always have a story. Even working from home, I have stories, because these meetings and the stuff I see come through on my screen, honey, is always something you can imagine in human resources. So I'll share some of those stories with you. I love, now people, I've always been an old soul, okay? But I want to get back into crocheting. I was doing some decluttering and cleaning out some of these closets, honey. I'm doing an early spring cleaning, okay? So you'll see a couple of those, because I'm in the middle of, I pretty much sorted out a lot of stuff that I'm donating because I have too much stuff in my closets, but you'll see little projects like that. But I miss crocheting, okay? I found my needle and my yarn, honey, in one of the closets, and it's been in there since we moved in this house, and that was going on, it's 5 years ago. And I have not pulled that out, y'all, since we moved here. But I want to pick back up with that. That's very therapeutic for me. Mental health is so important, and I want to focus on that in this season. So yeah, those are a few things that I will bring to this channel. So I hope you enjoy. But let me know what you would like to see of me. I wanted to make this video just kind of a short video just to let you know what to expect here. And please check out my community tab. Please, please, please do so. And please subscribe if you're inclined. But I will update you on the community tab of when I plan on posting. I possibly may do a live soon. So let me know if you're interested in live videos, just to ask questions, maybe a Q&A session, something like that. I would be happy to do so. So I'm excited about this next chapter, and I hope you are as well. But let me know, please let me know. It's so much. I like relationship advice. I'm not a counselor, okay? I'm in human resources, so but I do have real life stories, the advice that I could share, that I would like to share, because I've lived it, you know. With us not having children, I have nieces and I have nephews, and I have friends whose kids are like my own. So definitely seen a lot, and I love to give some good advice, honey, because sometimes some women just really need guidance out here. Certain things you shouldn't take from these men. I'm sorry. I'm just being real. But anyway, that's just a little bit of what I'm going to offer on this channel. And let me know what you would like to see. I know I'm going to make some steaks for us today, since we're both off. I don't know if I'll film that or not, as again, I'm trying to get away just from the whole cooking only channel, but you will see that kind of content here too. So what else? Is there anything else I want to share? Just let me know in the comments if you have any questions for me. And I hope you continue this journey with me, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.